Back, my friends. Welcome back to beautiful TO. Kind of dreary today, but the sun is coming out and the birds are chirping. Why am I so poor? That's what we're gonna talk about. On this channel, we talk about everything and anything that makes us not awesome, but freaking awesome human beings. I've gone to school, I've got a degree, but I'm so poor. Why? Have you ever thought of that? Most people go to school, they come out with debt, and then they work and they make $100,000 a year. And then they say, I spent all this time and I'm so poor. Think about that. Have you ever thought about that? Schools are not out there to make you rich. Remember that. Schools are just there to make you a middle class person. People who are educated and they don't use this, they will always be working for somebody else. What is a job? What is an employment? A job is, what is the acronym? What does job stand for? Job stands for just over broke. Think about that. See, the subjects in school that they teach you, most of the subjects you don't even use in a daily life. Do you know that? When was the last time you used calculus? When was the last time you used trigonometry? Think about that. Schools will never teach you about money. They're not teaching you about money. Why? Schools are designed to stay you middle class. See, teachers, most of the teachers in school are fake teachers. Think about that. What? Fake teachers? I know some teachers will be listening to this video and watching it. Think about that. When was the last time that the subject that you're teaching, the teachers are teaching, they practice in real life? When? Think about that. See, you want to get a teacher? Get a real teacher. In this day and age, today, you can get a teacher. If you want to learn about money, go out and get a real teacher who actually practices what he teaches in this real world and learn about money from them. See, jobs are not designed to make you rich. Jobs are designed to just be a status quo, like a middle class person. You get a car. Oh, I got a car. You have a house, you have a mortgage, you're constantly paying that mortgage. So you're never free. But you want to be rich, you have to be a problem solver. What? Entrepreneurs. Why are entrepreneurs rich? Entrepreneur does not work for money. Do you know that? They solve problems. Think about that. They work for free. They create their own money. They are a creator. Think about that. See, we have been brainwashed. We haven't been taught. We've been brought up at a young age and said that you gotta go to school, get educated, and guess what? And go get a nice job. When was the last time your mom, your dad, or somebody powerful in your life told you, go out there and go solve a problem and go work for nothing and create your own money, create your own destiny, your way of living, your lifestyle? When? Think about that. This is how it works, my friends. This is how it works. Go out in life and create your own lifestyle. If you do this, your life will change. I guarantee it. What does POOR stand for? Just over broke. Think about that. If you do this, your life will change. I guarantee it. POOR stands for passing over opportunities repeatedly. Don't be that person. Don't be that person. See, I gave you... Poor is a state of mind. See, a poor person will always say, I can't afford this. I can't do this. This is not what you do. Think about that. This is how you live your life. Live your life in such a way that you have a positive state of mind, and a mind that gets you going in your life. It's a state, richness, happiness is a state of mind. If you do this, your life will change. I guarantee it. I gave you lots of things to think about today. And if you do that, guess what? Your life will change. Till next time, my friends. Till next time. Live consciously, with purpose, in the moment, and with freaking passion. If you think I gave you value today, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Till next time.